Haven't you eaten already?
That was merely a light refreshment.
You demolished an entire bowl.
A modest tasting portion.
Then you pinched my sausage.
I was safeguarding it for quality control.
You're not starving. You're just greedy.
I prefer enthusiastically nourished.
Right. No more food until dinner. What on earth are you doing now?
Waiting for social services to intervene in these deeply inadequate living conditions.
Sometimes love looks like discipline, but feels like a conspiracy.